Hello everyone. In this lecture we will learn how to take the help for the function. So here we can type help and then name of the function. For example, sum. Let's run it. And here it will print the documentation of that function. So sum will take iterable start 0. You return the sum of a start value default 0. So here they have given complete documentation of this function. Let's use it. So I'll create some numbers. Now let's find the sum of iterable. So I can pass here this list. Run it and you will see here is the total, the sum of this. Similarly, here we have another function. Let's first print the help min and see here min and the parameter is iterable. When you see this kind of bracket, it means these are optional parameter and it will return a value. So with a single iterable argument, return its smallest item. Let's comment this and use it. Let's find the minimum of this list, the minimum number inside this list. See here 3. There is one more function we can use, max. Pass the iterable and it will return the largest value inside this list. Here you can see 12. Now let's see one more function here for a string. I'll create a string. This is Python programming. I am learning Python. So there is a function. When you press dot, you can see the list here and index. Let's explore this. For example, I don't know what are the parameters I have to pass here and how to use it. When you run this, you'll get error. So it says takes at least one argument. What I can do, call this help and use this object or variable dot the name of the function index. Remember, you don't have to call this, so remove this parenthesis. Now let's run it and then see here it will print the documentation. So here this function will take one parameter substring and these are optional parameters start end. So you can see inside this bracket these are optional parameters. This function returns int value. Return the lowest index in S where substring sub is found. So here is sub. Here we pass the sub. So you can read one more important point here. It raises a value error exception if it is not present, the substring is not present. So from here we can understand how this function works. Let's use it. I'll comment this part and then index of, let's search Python. Let's use a variable index and store it and then we can print. Remember, we have done the function. If function returns something, we must store it so that we can use it. Let's print this index. So I'll run this program and you can see the output 8. So Python is present on 8th location. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it starts from 8th index value. And in the documentation we have seen if the substring is not present, then it will raise an exception. So you can see here value error. This substring is not present in this string. Now, there are optional parameters where we can specify start and end. So here I want to search between 10 and let's say 30. So if this Python is present or not. Let's run it, and again you will get error. So what I can do here, I want till end. So let's call length function, and this, but here it is, if I run this program, so you can see here 42, it's present here. So this way we can search the index of a given substring. So it will start from 10th index till the length, and here it's present at the end here, because index value will be start from 0 to it will start from 0. So when you specify here length, if length is 10, so index value will go till 9, because it starts from 0 to 9. So I can specify here length, and if it is, let's assume I want to search 1 to 10, here you will get exception because it's present on 8th location index, but I'm searching till 10th. So specify the proper index, and you can see here. So important point here is to understand this help. This way we can print the help of documentation of any function. Now in the next lecture we will see how to create your own help for your custom function. For user defined function, how to create the help.